Galaxy S26 Ultra hands-on leaks. Bigger, faster, stronger? What's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the crystal ball of Samsung's future, specifically the hotly anticipated Galaxy S26 series. Buckle up because some huge changes might be on the horizon, and we've got all the juicy details for you right here. All right, let's kick things off with the king of the hill, the rumored Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, on the surface, the changes might seem, well, subtle. We're hearing whispers of a minor display bump, going from 6.86 inches on the S25 Ultra to a slightly larger 6.89 inches on the S26 Ultra. It might not sound like much, but think about it. Every little bit of screen real estate counts for that immersive experience. And it's not just about the size. The body itself might be a tad taller and wider, though sources say you'd really only notice in a direct side-by-side comparison. But here's where things get interesting. We're potentially seeing a new display tech with waterproof integrated panels. Could this mean even slimmer bezels? A more seamless look? Samsung, if you're watching, we're here for it. Now, let's talk power. The battery on the S26 Ultra is currently pegged at a solid 5,000 milliamp hours, the same as the S25 Ultra. But don't click off yet. The real excitement here is the potential charging upgrade. We're hearing whispers of 60-watt fast charging. Yes, that would be a significant jump from the current 45-watt, meaning less time tethered to the wall and more time enjoying that gorgeous display. But the battery buzz doesn't stop there. Samsung might be shaking up the entire lineup, and that means new players entering the game. Okay, this is where things get really interesting. Brace yourselves because the rumors suggest Samsung might be ditching the standard Galaxy S and Plus models altogether. Instead, we might be welcoming two new contenders, the Galaxy S26 Pro and the Galaxy S26 Edge. The S26 Edge looks like it's stepping into the Plus model's shoes. Now, battery capacities for these new guys are still a bit of a mystery. The S26 Pro is rumored to pack a 4,300 mAh battery, while the S26 Edge could land somewhere between 4,200 and 4,400 mAh. Honestly, the S26 Pro's rumored capacity doesn't sound like the best performer on paper, so let's hope Samsung has some serious optimization magic up their sleeves. And when it comes to charging speeds for the S26 Pro and Edge, crickets, nothing concrete yet. But let's be real, in 2026, we're expecting at least 45W, right, Samsung? Don't let us down. But wait, there's more potential lineup news. We could even see a Galaxy S26 FE joining the party next year. More affordable flagship goodness? Sign us up. Speaking of names, it looks like the confusion might already be clearing up. The good old Galaxy S26 we all expected? Well, it's now officially listed as the Galaxy S26 Pro in the GSMA database. So it seems there won't be a standard S26 model this time around. This could signal a shift towards a more premium-focused strategy from Samsung. So there you have it, folks. Our first deep dive into the rumored Samsung Galaxy S26 series. What are your thoughts on these potential changes? Are you excited about the S26 Ultra's charging upgrade? What do you think about the possible death of the base and Plus models? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe for more tech news and leaks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.